Inspired by the incredible vibe of the show, we turned Mel's Drive-In restaurant in Los Angeles into a luxurious and vibrant after-party venue. Jerry was headlining the gig in the famous retro burger joint, immortalized in American graffiti, on the Sunset Strip near a billboard that recently featured Rolling Stone's Mick Jagger. Jerry and the Golden Bachelor team celebrated the end of filming, meeting fans, and watching the premiere of the show together. For this event, the organizers needed to set up the venue to match the corporate style of the show. The main visual element of the show is a golden rose, and the entire venue was decorated with them. As AV specialists, we needed to illuminate many of these beautiful decorations, as well as create a projection of roses both on the ceiling inside the restaurant, on the ground, and on the walls outside. Most of the show's visuals sport a touch of gold, and it was a serious challenge to recreate the golden color using lighting equipment, since these devices do not give a natural golden color. It may be yellow, perhaps greenish, but it is very challenging to achieve a true golden shade. For this, our team worked together to ensure that we achieved the best result and illuminated everything with a naturally golden color. To execute this magnificent display, we used more than 100 lighting fixtures throughout the venue. We installed a high-definition 4K TV. And for the party vibe, the ABC team asked us to install DJ equipment and powerful speakers so that guests would enjoy the celebration throughout the venue. We installed a QSC audio system, as well as a Pioneer CDJ3000 and DJM A9, which together produced excellent sound quality. One moment, as a publicist led Turner back into the scrum of reporters and internet influencers, the party's soundtrack suddenly lurched into David Bowie's Golden Years. If you want to stay up to date with the latest trends in the event industry, subscribe to our channel, like it, and see you at our next amazing event.
Rent for event.
Nothing.
Nothing but performance.